Hi everybody and welcome to a tutorial part 2 of how to put your own machines into Fortress Crafting Evolved. Big shout out to DJ. If you hadn't helped us, if you hadn't written the code, we would not be doing your tutorial on how to put in your machines. Don't forget to support the guy. Follow me on Twitter, buy his game, have some fun with it, make your own mod. That's what we're here to teach you. So, if you watched episode 1 where we adjusted the manufacturing recipes.xml files, you'll know that we put in two machines, which was the lithium compactor and the lithium extractor. Now this is the very important next part, because this is where you're going to crash the game a lot if you forget one important line. Sorry, two important lines. So let me just highlight them, and that's these two lines. That's the value number line and the icon and the name line. Okay, if you don't have those exactly the same as your lithium compactor XML and your lithium extractor XML, you're going to get crashed. It's going to fail. Okay. At this point in time, when you go into the game won't crash if you add the value entries. Okay. Now we're just going to show you, and we're going to take the iron extractor first. This will be the easiest one because it's the bottom, and we're going to copy that one. We're going to press return, and we're going to paste it, and we're going to line it all up by just backspacing. Okay. Now if you leave 756 and 756 the same, game over, crashed. Make sure you change it to 758, and then you make sure you put lithium extractor. Okay. Now the next thing is the icon name is this line. You'll notice that I use a hydrojet cutter. Currently at this point in the game where you're modding it, you can only use the icons that are in the generic app data file. You cannot use any other icon. If you want that to be a stamper plant, when you run it, it will crash. Okay. I've tried it, I've tested it, it crashes. There you go. Okay. Description, again, obvious. Put in what you like. I think it goes into the help files. I'm not too sure though, so don't quote me on that one. I've not really messed around with that one. So we've got the value there for the lithium extractor. Now we need to put the value in for the lithium compactor. So we're just going to go and copy this entry. Copy. And we're going to enter it there. And then we're going to paste it. Okay. Now you're going to ask, why are we putting it in this order? Now there's a simple reason for that, and we're going to show you. As long as you make sure that that value and that name is lithium. There we go. You can't spell it, start spelling it and it will come up in a menu. Okay, so do get it correct. So where are we? Where are we putting this code? Well, we are putting this code all in the generic assembler machine code, the terrain data entry, because obviously the terrain data is where you put your block in the terrain. Yeah, so there you go. It needs to be done in that. Now, why did we put it in this order? Why is it coal compactor 2, coal compactor 3? This is your menu. This is your on-screen menu. If you just throw them in, it's going to look messy and shoddy, especially if they're upgrades. Okay, right? So you can see I've got a level 1, a level 2, and a level 3. And then we've got coal extractor. Now, we're going to say something a little bit about that. Oh no, that's the extractor, not the compactor, sorry. Right, so you've got coal extractor 1, 2, and 3. And then you've got the copper, the tin, and the iron. And then lithium. Now, why have I done copper, tin, iron, and lithium? Why did I not do tin, copper, iron, and lithium? Normally when I play the game, the first thing I find is copper. It seems to be spawn higher than tin. So I'll put my machines in the order of what I find them is copper, tin, iron, lithium. These are the top 4 ores that you'll first find in the game. So it's wise to keep your machines in that order. You don't have to. This is your mod. Okay? It's how you want it. I'm just showing you how to write the code. So now that we've got that, that is your terrain data done. Okay? And again, all you have to do, save as in your data file. Plus you'll get this terrain data.xml already exists. Do you want to replace it? Yes. As in episode 1, you go to save as, backup files, save. The reason being, as I'll explain again, is if DJ updates his code while you're writing your code is gone. He is priority. He's writing the game, he's updated it, and that's it. Okay, you have no say in the matter. Always back up your work. Now, we will be back with episode 3, where we show you the iron extractor.xml and the iron compactor XML and the coal enricher XML. We're going to show you what we did and we're going to explain that. So if you liked part 2, don't forget to follow me, hit that like button, hit that hate button. It's all good for me. I know how I'm doing, good or bad. Any questions, don't be afraid to ask. Have fun, stay safe. Bye for now.